Welcome to our tutorial about using the Ellipse tool. The Ellipse tool has 4 subtools. Let's bring them up. We've got a full ellipse, the partial ellipse, a parabola, and the conic curve. The first 3 subtools I'll review in this tutorial, and then we'll take a look at the conic curve in the next tutorial. Let's select the Ellipse tool. Your first click establishes the center of the ellipse. The next click sets the major axis, that's the long part, and the third click is the minor axis, or the shorter axis. So there's the major, and here's the minor, 3 clicks. Now let's activate the next subtool, the partial ellipse. The first click once again establishes the center. The next click establishes the major or long axis. The third click, the minor axis. And 2 more clicks to set the start and end points of the ellipse. Let's take a look at the Parabola tool. Our first click defines the focus of the parabola. Next click sets the vertex. And lastly, we set the length of the parabola. To exit the ellipse command, you can just right-click and select Select. Let's exit our sketch. And this concludes our tutorial about the Ellipse tool.